Now that we have a sponsor-approved plan, we can start entering evidence. We'll log in as our user, Sarah. Now that we're logged in, we'll select Enter Evidence. We'll see the plans that Sarah is associated with and select our plan. We'll see the process areas that Sarah is associated with, as well as the type of evidence that she can enter. We'll do an artifact first. We'll have to enter the location for where the artifact is located, such as, let's pick a shared drive, some made-up information, the contact information for it. So let's say we got this from manager Albert. We'll have an artifact name, some piece of information that says what's the title of the artifact. Let's say CAR document. And then we'll enter notes on the review of the initial review, I should say, of the artifact. We'll submit. The artifact has now been stored. We'll now enter an interview. Go back to Enter Evidence, select our plan, and select Interview. The interview conductor in this case will be Sarah, since she's the only team member present. Who are our interviewees who are present? The length of the interview, we'll say 55 minutes. When it was conducted, where it was conducted, where our results of the interview are located, we'll say our same shared drive, and any notes on the actual interview. Finally, we'll have to select the appraisal team members that were present at the interview. In this case, our only member is Sarah, so we'll select her and submit. Our evidence is now submitted. Now that all of our evidence has been submitted, we'll have to go ahead and review the evidence. We'll click Review Evidence, and we'll select the plan that our logged-in user, Sarah, is associated with. We'll submit. Here we see the two different pieces of evidence that Sarah submitted. The first is our artifact, and the second is our affirmation or our interview. We'll click Review on the first one. It'll pop us up a new window, which will show the information that we entered, as well as the option to enter any gaps associated with that piece of evidence. And we have the choice to say if the evidence is in scope or not in scope for our actual appraisal. We'll submit, close our window, we'll refresh, and we'll see that our evidence has been reviewed. We can do the same thing for our interview. Evidence is in scope, we'll submit, and now we'll refresh. We now see that all of our evidence has been reviewed.